silang sugar because sugar refers to their sugary food that they eat. One example is the banana. Mahihilig po sila sa mga matatamis na pagkain. And glider because they have a gliding membrane which is connected in between their legs that they use to glide in between branches. So hindi po sila nakakalipad, kundi nakakapag-glide po sila katulad ng mga squirrel. And nakikita niyo po ba na may magkaiba yung kulay ng aming mga sugar gliders dito? Itong nasa right side ko po is yung common color variation ng mga sugar glider, which is the gray sugar glider. And on my left side, this is the leucistic sugar glider, which is paborito rin po dito sa Baluarte Zoo. Kaya palakpan naman ang ating guys si Kuya for doing his job well. One trivia, yung mga sugar gliders natin is mahihilig po sumuksok sa mga bulsa-bulsa. Kaya popular sila tawagin mga pocket pets. Ayun. Okay. After sa Australia, tatapon naman, and its name is Bindi, the Palawan Aircats. Or locals in Palawan call them Binturong. Ayan. Okay. Now, they are called bear because they can stand using their hind legs. Nakakatayo po sila gamit ang kanilang panlikod na paa. And cats because they have whiskers like the cats. And aside from monkeys, mayroon din po silang buntot na ginagamit nila para pampulong sa mga kahoy na kanilang inaakyatan. And to prevent them from falling. Para hindi po sila mahulog. And they belong to the Secret Cat family. That is why kapag malapitan nyo po sila o mahawakan, maaamoy nyo po yung amoy ng panda. So ladies and gentlemen, that is Bindi, our very own Palawan Bearcats. So hindi po nagpapatalo ng kagandahan ang Pilipinas. So